Sanibona bafethu uvani lo. I'm really happy about uThembi Nkosi-Lorch. Uthembi Nkosi-Lorch bafethu uma usubheke kwi-career yakhe ama-games aseke wawadlala. Yebo kwi-career yakhe ama-games aseke wawadlala ngeke azafike kulama games azowadlala. Kule competition azoyidlala uThembi Nkosi-Lorch uyodlala iClub World Cup. Njengoba uyodlala iClub World Cup nje uyodlala kwi-team ekuthiwa uWydad Casablanca. Niyasikhumbula ke isitori saThembi Nkosi-Lorch. Washiya kwi-Orlando Pirates ehamba nini ehamba last year ngoJanuary wajoyina iMamelodi Sundowns. Ekudlaleni kwakhe iMamelodi Sundowns wadlala yaze yaphela isizini. Wathi siphelile ke isizini kwaxoshwa bani kwaxoshwa ucoach wakhe oyemlandile kuOrlando Pirates uRhulani Mgwena. Ekhambeni kwaRhulani Mgwena iMamelodi Sundowns yabona ukuthi kahle asikho isidingo sokuthi simhlalise la uThembi Nkosi-Lorch. Why don't we loan out uThembi Nkosi-Lorch or sell uThembi Nkosi-Lorch? Yabo iWydad Casablanca yaphakamisa isandla yathi singakwazi nokumlanda uThembi Nkosi-Lorch because ukhona vele noRhulani Mgwena. Yabo uRhulani Mgwena wamlanda uThembi Nkosi-Lorch waba ngaphansi kwaRhulani Mgwena lapha kuWydad Casablanca. Yabo umjida wakwazi ukuyi-revive icareer yakhe. Many people thought uThembi Nkosi-Lorch mezohamba eyale kwiMamelodi Sundowns izophela icareer yakhe. Yabo wayengayitholi vele igame time kwiSundowns but ke nje wasebemlonile wakuWydad Casablanca. KwiWydad Casablanca bayamthanda, ihlwele ziyamthanda umjida, indlela adlala ngakhona uyakora nalapha nafethu uya-assista, uyayisiza team uthi win. Babe no Cassius Mayilula. Yabo Cassius Mayilula lapha bayadlala impela bajika. So angizile uzokhuluma ngale ndaba le. Ngizokhuluma ngendaba ezowenziwa iWydad Casablanca. Menikhumbula kahle ke uThembi Nkosi-Lorch miphela isizini uyahamba kwiWydad Casablanca but iWydad Casablanca ifuna umjido ukuthi ahlale. Yabo ifuna umjido ukuthi ahlale. Yabo khona ezoya kodlala kwiClub World Cup. Menikhumbula kahle iClub World Cup icompetition nje ezoqala umhla ka-10 le ezobile America iClub World Cup. So amateam amaningi right now aparticipate lapha aparticipate afuna ukulanda abadlali abakhulu abazokwazi ukusiza amateam abo bakwazi ukuyiwina leya trophy leya. Yabo maningi amateam nje alapha abo Man City, abo Chelsea, abo Atletico Madrid, abo PSG, abo Real Madrid, abo Porto engathi ayikho iPorto lapha. Singapha uFabrizio Romano la. uFabrizio Romano ukhipha istory kuthiwa exclusive. Hakim Ziyech is close to joining Wydad Casablanca. Discussions are ongoing with the club with the strong possibilities of playing in the FIFA Club World Cup. A minimum 1-year contract is said to be offered. Yabo. So imagine umdlalo njengoThembi Nkosi-Lorch azodlala no Hakim Ziyech. Imagine Thembi Nkosi-Lorch playing with Hakim Ziyech in the same squad. Yabo iyasayina ngempela ke bafethu iWydad Casablanca because they've signed abadlali abanjengo Amrabat. Yabo they've signed abadlali abanjengo Amrabat bafethu, they've signed abadlali abanjengo Aziz Ki. Menikhumbula kahle uAziz Ki was a player that was linked with the Orlando Pirates but ke iYanga SC ya decide ukuthi simgcina umjida bamgcina ku Aziz Ki wa decide ukuthi njengoba engigcinile angifuni ukurenew icontract, I want to go to another club. So wajoyina iWydad Casablanca because they didn't want to sell the player when he wanted to leave. So njengoba sebemgcinile ke kulonyaka yena umjida wa decide ukuthi angifuni ukuyisayina icontract yenje. Yabo so they are setting isquad sabo benze isquad sabo right now sibe strong because bayodlala le. Yabo bawudlala le kwiClub World Cup and they need quality players. Njengoba bezodinga quality players nje abakwazi ukuya le nabadlali abangabasizanga because nibonile uWydad Casablanca ayenzanga kahle ngaphansi kwesandla sika Rhulani Mgwena. Rhulani Mgwena right now akekho uxoshiwe. Yabo ngeke ngisho ukuthi uxoshiwe per se, I think wa resign kuWydad Casablanca. So right now they are recruiting quality players. Hakim Ziyech, the former Ajax Amsterdam player, the former Chelsea player, the former Galatasaray player will join iWydad Casablanca, iclub yala eAfrica bafethu. Yabo these are big news. Ngongijabulisa kakhulu ukubona uMayilula and uThembi Nkosi-Lorch playing alongside uHakim Ziyech bafethu. Yabo I hope indlela adlala ngakhona uThembi Nkosi-Lorch lento le izolifta ispirit sakhe umjida. Yabo ukuqhubeka kwakhe adlale kanje maybe sombone esebizwa uHugo Broos. uHugo Broos mhlamba angambiza for ama-AFCON games. Ama-AFCON games bafethu azodlala ngoDecember. Yabo maybe we'll see uThembi Nkosi-Lorch ebizwa futhi kwisquad sebafana. Ngangijabulisa impela ukuyibona lento yenzeka mfethu. Yabo angathi umjida ngachina kule competition ayoyidlala bafethu. Sifuna ukubona abadlali abakanje. Yabo abadlali bethu noma bangaba nezinkinga, yabo izinkinga zingeza kubona but bona bakwazi ukuprevaila. yabo bakwazi ukuprevail. I so hope Mamelodi Sundowns neWydad Casablanca bayisotha izinto umjida aqhubeka adlale lapha, yabo aqhubeke adlale kuyona iWydad, because there are many teams vele khona la eSouth Africa afunayo ukumsayina uThembinkosi Lorch, because I heard Kaizer Chiefs they are working day and night to secure i-signing yakhe uThembinkosi Lorch. Yabo uma izinto zingasebenzi kahle lapha kuWydad, iKaizer Chiefs is open, yabo, to sign the player. Asazi ke noma umjida yena angavuma yini ukujoina the former rival, yabo. Ngangitshela ama comments uzizwa kanjani ngempela bafethu ukubona uThembinkosi Lorch, the former Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns player, playing alongside Hakim Ziyech, yabo, the great Hakim Ziyech. Fana nokuthi uyi-legend lebhola laseMorocco right now, yabo. I'm sure ama-fans aseMorocco azokujabulela lokho, ama-fans eWydad azokujabulela lokho, because this is a player that is playing for their national team. This is a player that captains their national team, yabo. Asazi bafethu, yangijabulisa kodwa bafethu ukuzwa le indaba lezi about uHakim Ziyech playing alongside uNyosi mfethu.